The suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu is expected to take the stand on Tuesday at 2 p.m. before the Madlanga Commission, which is probing the controversial disbandment of the political killings task team. His appearance follows a wave of allegations suggesting he may have used his political authority to shield individuals under criminal investigation. The commission confirmed his scheduled testimony in a statement issued on Monday. Mchunu's conduct has been under intense scrutiny after several witnesses, including National Commissioner General Fanny Masemola and KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, implicated senior political figures in alleged interference in high-profile investigations. During a media briefing on 6 July, Mkhwanazi publicly asserted that Mchunu had instructed the dissolution of both the PKTT and the Organized Crime Unit in KwaZulu-Natal. At the center of the controversy is a letter Mchunu sent to Masemola in December 2024, ordering the immediate shutdown of the task team. Testimony before the commission claims Mchunu issued the directive under pressure from associates, including businessman Vusimuzi Madlala, currently facing an attempted murder charge, and alleged political fixer Brown Mokgotsi. These allegations have led to Mchunu's temporary suspension and have intensified demands for the inquiry to unpack possible political interference within law enforcement structures. Over recent weeks, the Madlanga Commission has had troubling evidence pointing to obstruction of investigations, intimidation of officers, and alleged protection of criminal networks by people in positions of power. Mchunu has repeatedly denied all allegations through his legal representatives. He also dismissed the claims during his appearance before Parliament's ad hoc committee last month. His testimony on Tuesday is expected to be a pivotal moment in a commission tasked with determining whether policing processes were manipulated for political or personal gain. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.